Karbiang lo phan birta kimi MEC ang hoi phokep an kepabadia phan tuwar ketho Jakas men birta mai kipado MLA Dr. Mumin K Angbong kecharbo jia phan me akaralong kerosin kidung CRPF Khotkhutipen Swachhata Hi Sewa Amok Gedeng Karam ada birtalang penili birtar bang thare harmony ben nan birtang ton pen arjik tha Central Government pen Karbiang Long Autonomous Council aja kongke patheji phan sikdang bomlo siksidul ke parlo article 280 ke pharang pen Karbiang Long Autonomous Council along non ke bom inquiry truck MSC ang hoi pen phokep MSC ang hoi an pabat tupo laso alang New Delhi along chiti inkoy arni chingwai pon tanglo Assam Sarkar aphan tangka chulang nang nelo athe Central Sarkar pen Autonomous Council aphan nangkele atangka State Sarkar along nangbur velo 62 ke parlo article 280 ke pharang pen Karbiang Long Autonomous Council pen non ke bom MSC inkoy ratrok ang hoi pen phokep ang hoi an ke pabat ji aphan chiti inkoy arni New Delhi along kangni amai along kachingwai aklong palethu kachingwai along kachiparai ateng di Mahaso Autonomous Council non kedobom ingkoi ratrok MEC inghoi pen plikep inghoi an kepabat jia phanta chingwai Autonomous along gaot panchaya ason gaot parisad mate village council kiseng jia lamta chingwai chingsai pontu New Delhi North Block Union Home Saikam along kepado Hemrit Kerang a minister Rajnath Singh Chepampu pen Kangni Amayalong Assam Sarkar pen Minister Chandra Mohan Patwari Chandan Brahma Lapen Saipul Atum Chetongdun Bogajan LA Constituency MLA Dr. Numal Mumin Non Hedjong Manpeng Kedo Assam Governor Apan Kilo Akido Aputak Chiti Inkoi Arni Dipu Alang Birta Amai Phasi MLA Mumin Kechok Che Alam Pherangke Aham Phangapan Than Pachini Karbiang Long Autonomous State Long Le Aprang Manthai Garo Kuki Rengmanaga Tiwa Khasi Lepen Dimasa Kosari Aphan Autonomous Regional Council Pinang Jipu Bukazan LA Constituency MLA Dr. Numal Mumin Pen Assam Manpeng Kedo Governor Jagadish Mukhi Aphan Arunar Kep Arni Kelo Akido ke K Angbong Kethak Kipa Mahanguji Aphan Anchot Me Akara Long Kerosin Kechor Anchot Pusi Jagas Amaipu Korsing Teron Pen Perangke Amai Along Akoi Pi Kethak Kacharwo Meme Alam Ningje Jera Karbiang Long Aphan Autonomous State Kipalong ji Aphansi Bidiri nangji Apodlo Pusonta Jakas Asongja Teron Ningje Karbiang Long Autonomous State Longlete Ladakh Kedoan Akheta Apharman Durepo Puta Teron Asangho Ningje too
It has every potentiality to create an explosive situation in Karbiang. He warned our honorable governor that if regional councils are not created, tribe-wise regional councils are not created, a grave situation could arise in Karbiang. That's impropriety on the part of an elected representatives of his statute and reputation. So our stand is clear. Until and unless autonomous state is created, no administrative changes in the district should be made. And devolution of powers to all levels can only be done when Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is elevated to the status of as an autonomous state or a separate state, and adequate power is devolved upon the new political and administrative setup. In the latter, it's very controversial on the part of Mr. Momin. He referred to the incidents of Kuki Karbi class, Karbi Dimasa class, Karbi Rengma class. It's unbecoming for a person of his stature, because he is a public elected representative. He should not say anything that can create another unsavory situation, and it seems he is indirectly inciting, encouraging such unsavory situation, repetition of such unsavory situation. So we don't know in what capacity he has. In our conviction, he has done everything in his own capacity. So district leadership of the BJP should inquire into the matter and take necessary action immediately to avoid unnecessary situations in Karbi Anglong.
Group Center CRPF Khotkoti pen chiti ingkoi arni Khotkoti ahawar so chata hi sewa amo pachun pon pusi lada katnu salong birtanang pale so chata hi sewa keklem adichi along pacheton dumsi Group Center CRPF Khotkoti penta Khotkoti ahawar towarpi mate National Highway Khotkoti Bazar bus stand highway adimalong karko karphek pen kepangthir amu pachul kepangthur amu along Group Center CRPF DIGP Sanawas Khan pen Chenglok pen an CRPF ake hoy atum Chetong Dunren T nan malam support han bertamo ton punik zina
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecho ajam thu tharmit adu thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Come one, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc.
Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs, visit Bazaar India.
Dihina mo piputat bertalong wangtulu. Borjan ahwar amai pen chiti inkoi arni hidipi along Junal Karbi Festival kibiji aphan. Isi tirikam amai sengsi chisik chidang pangcheng pusi. Bokajan pen nilitu maferang ke karniu salang bertanang pali. Borjan ahwar amai penta hidipi along Junal Karbi Youth Festival kibiji aphan chiti inkoi arni tirikam amai sengpon tanglo. Jonasing tokbi chipahimbu pen kepado amai along penaan RG Kiding Chingwai se Samson ing tiapan maipu dorsing an se apan konchun bang arpu peksi dirikam amai sengpon dirikam amai keseng along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Longkitimu KCS diri amai dun maipu humsing be lapen ari sang hotum chetong dun renti ada berita bang lapan sikang ton ponila demi thakme kurbang tu